This is an example of calculating our interest rate from the future value of ordinary annuity using Excel. Let's go through our example. Kate deposits $10,000 at the end of each year for 6 years. Therefore, we know that our periodic cash flow is $10,000 and our number of periods is 6 years. That resulted in an accumulated value of $70,000 at the end of year 6. So our future value is $70,000. Calculate the effective annual interest rate. So in order to get our effective annual interest rate, we need to use our rate Excel built-in function. So we write equal rate, open bracket, then follow what's mentioned in our function. Number of periods, 6, comma. Our payment is $10,000, comma. Present value, we don't have present value in this example, so I will press another comma in order to escape this part. Then our future value, please remember we have a negative relationship between our payment and the future value. That's why we need to put a negative sign in front of our future value. Close bracket, press enter. This will give us an effective annual interest rate of 6.14%.